Hi there, this is Andrea Mowry of Drea Renee Knits, and today I'm going to be demonstrating how to resolve a wrapped stitch from doing wrap and turn short rows in half fisherman's rib. So you can kind of see my little gap right here. Here's my wrapped stitch. I'm going to go ahead and work my way over to that, and then I'll show you how I resolve it. So I am currently just knitting one below, purling one, until I get up to my gap. All right, here is my wrapped stitch. So you can see this is its wrap. And so what I want to do to resolve this is I'm going to slip my wrap stitch over to my right hand needle. I'm then going to use my left hand needle to lift the wrap up onto my right hand needle so that I have both the stitch and its wrap up there together. And then I'm going to return them to my left hand needle. Now here's where it does take a little bit of finagling because what we want to do is we want to knit into the stitch below and also into the wrap and the wrapped stitch. So I like to do this by inserting my right hand needle into that stitch below and then through both of those strands, and then I just wrap my yarn. No matter if you are English or continental, you're just going to wrap that yarn around, and you just kind of have to really hold it in place and go slow as you get it through all three strands. So I've gotten it through my wrapped stitch and its wrap, and now I need to go under this stitch below, and there it is. Okay, I want to show that one more time because I know it can be kind of hard to see. So I'm going to do it English style, and then I'll show it one more time continental. So I am inserting my needle tip into the stitch below and then through both strands on my left hand needle, which is the wrap stitch and its wrap. I wrap my yarn to knit, and I just kind of take it one step at a time, getting it through the wrap stitch and the wrap first, and then through that stitch below. And now I would go ahead and remove it from my needle, but I want to demonstrate it one more time continental. All right, so insert my needle tip into the stitch below, and then through both strands on my needle, wrap my yarn to knit, bringing it through or under my wrapped stitch and its wrap, and then under the stitch below. And you can kind of see I use my pointer finger to hold on to the yarn as it goes below. I feel like I went out of frame there a little bit, so I just want to show that again. So again, going stitch below, wrapped stitch and its wrap, knit and knit. And now I can pull it off and give it a nice little tug. And then I would go ahead and purl, knit one below, purl, knit one below, purl, knit one below. And if you look, you can see I had actually done one over here too. So you can see it really fills in and gives you a really nice cohesive wrap and turn. That looks really nice. So there you go. Resolving wrap and turns in half fisherman's rib.